The world's oldest stock exchange, Amsterdam's, opened in 1602. The world's most expensive stock, Berkshire Hathaway, is priced at $4.12808 per share. The stock market was opened for the first time in India in 1875. America's oldest stock, the Boston Colonial India Company, was started in 1602. The world's largest stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, handles about $50 billion of financial transactions daily. The largest stock market crash ever occurred in 1929, known as Black Monday. The world's smallest stock, Riot stock, is worth just $0.0001. The world's most listed company is Western Union, with over 1,000,000 shares listed. The largest stock exchange secured by Exxon certificates of deposit, ICDs, which are managed by the Indian government. The fastest growing financial market, next to the stock market, is the cryptocurrency market.